Heidi with Nest Pretty. Nest Pretty is all about making small choices every day that add up to a beautiful life. You can read all about it in the book. You can get the book on Amazon. It's called The Nest Pretty Lifestyle Guide. I am a closet coach. I help women to curate a wardrobe she loves. I do this work because it is so fantastic. I have done the work in my own closet, and getting dressed is just so easy. It's not a chore at all. I enjoy the process. And what I love especially is that I can get dressed really fast, always knowing that I'm dressed appropriately for the activity, representing the best version of myself, and I can go into the world feeling confident because I did the work, because I thought about it in advance, because I made a decision once. That is all the work that you can do to help you to curate a wardrobe you love. There's a link in my bio that has a 5-day training, how to curate a wardrobe you love, that can get you started thinking about how possible this is for you. Now, one of the tools I love to use to help me to hone my wardrobe, I also teach it to all of my clients. It is called the edit. It's something you do every day. It is going on in the back of your mind. You're thinking of 3 questions and how to answer them at the end of the day. Question number 1 is always number 1 because it is number 1. What worked? Now, you ask that question first because we want to train our brains to look for the positive. The more you look for the positive in your clothing, in your body, in your appearance, the more you will see it. So let's do it. Starting with what worked. I wore today this dress. It is a pleated number from head to toe with blue heels, peep toe, and my fantastic beads. I think that this dress is fantastic. It is easy. It is breezy. It is comfortable. I feel like it gives me a very long line, so it has the ability to make me look just a little taller. I love these beads with it because it also gives you the long vertical look. I love it. Question number 2 is not a contradiction, but this is what it is. What didn't work? And we're asking this question out of curiosity, not out of judgment. We're not nitpicking our body or our clothing. We're just curious. Is something not working here? So the interesting thing about this dress is very, very much outside of my comfort zone. It's a different style than I normally wear. And in fact, the first time I wore it, someone said, this is not a typical Heidi dress. And I agree. So the thing about it that is not typical, I believe, is just that there is no waistline. Nothing defined about it. And in a way, it does make me feel a little uncomfortable. It could just be that I have to get used to it because it is outside of my comfort zone. Is it flattering? That's the question. So I keep checking in the mirror. Is this flattering? Is this flattering? I do feel that because it is a long pillar, it gives me a little height. But other than that, is it flattering? It's a question I have. Question number 3 is, how can I make it better? So I can make it better by wearing a belt, for sure. I can make it better by adding a sweater, and I will show you that. I did this the other day and it worked out perfectly. Of course, I'd have to wear a different bead, but just adding that little cinch makes a huge difference. So when you ask yourself, how can I make it better? You can use your imagination and say, I think I need a little bolero, one that I can tie in the front, or I need a little belt. Of course, I would want it to be navy blue so that it just disappears. How can I make it better? How can I make it better? You know what I'm really excited about is once it gets a little cooler, I want to wear this dress with a jean jacket. I think that'll be super cute. And maybe some tennis shoes. That's how the edit works. And as you do that work on a daily basis, you begin to hone your wardrobe. You begin to make decisions. You begin to trust your instincts. You begin to think, how can I make this better? How can I make this better? And in just that thought and giving a little bit of time, a little bit of attention, you will come up with a solution to how to make it better. And that's how just doing that little bit of work helps you to be more intentional when you do shop. So when I go to the shop next time, I'm going to be looking for a cute little sweater that I can wear with this dress to cinch the waist, to maybe help me to feel just a little bit more comfortable, to make it a little bit more flattering. So that's my edit. That's how I do it every single day. And I basically have a running list in my phone of the things I need. So when I do shop, it is always with intention. It is not just what's new in the shop. I'm looking for something specific because I want to hone the wardrobe. I want to make it right and tight. So this is Heidi with Nest Pretty. Grab the free training in my bio. Follow for more tips. Thank you for joining. I hope you have a fantastic evening.